Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger, and today we are going to review all new 2022 Suzuki Evnis 125. So let's get started.
So now we are going to show you a review of this new scooty from Suzuki. This scooty is here with me in this blue color, and this is the Suzuki's actual livery. And as you can see, is upon here this is little type of windshields, and this is a black color windshield, as you can see, which looks so better in this blue color. And yeah, this is that same blue color of Suzuki which is used in GSX-R, also in the Hayabusa. Okay, and down you will go, you will see this Evanish logo, which looks so good. And as you can see, it is carried out with this black color. This is carried out at the bottom, and yeah, it looks so beautiful. And if you see in here, it is carried out with this green color. This is a different kind of green color, and this is carried out with this gray color. So if you see the light, I will show you the video of how this lights look. So this is how the lights look. Now I will say this is very new design compared to any Suzuki scooties. So this scooty is like, for me, competition is giving to Yamaha RZR and the TVS Ntorq. So yeah, this is very good. And as you can see, this is aerodynamic style winglet, we can say, little kind of winglet type. Yeah. So this is the front tire size, and you will get this brake at front. So this is 90 by 90 dual tire size, and if you will go at rear, so this is 90 by 110 tire size, as you can see. Okay, so this is exhaust, and this exhaust is like Brugman kind of exhaust, which is very beautiful. Again, this is a black matte type finish over here, which looks so perfect. And this is the livery, as you can see, Evanish written over here, black color. This is in red color, and that is also same black color. And this is the Suzuki X-Star livery, blue color livery. So Evanish is for sports kinda. That's when Access and Brugman, you don't get this kind of X-Star livery. So as you can see, this is again nice design. Suzuki Eco Performance, as all in everywhere you will get Suzuki Eco Performance. This is the footrest, normal footrest, and here you will get very nice space. Okay, and here you can put your mobile phones over here. Okay, and also you can take this and you can add something inside. This is very big space, and also there is a charger port. Okay, so there is also one charger port. You can close this like this. Okay, so this is very good option. Again, if you will go here, this is a kill switch. You have to just press this and the scooty will start. This is normal display, I will say. And here's the mode button. You can change. You can see the instrument cluster video on the screen. And this is upper depot. This is the indicator, and this is the horn. And this is very nice sports feeling, sports type of accelerator, brake. And yeah, this is the mirror. So compared to the Access, you will get more big boot space on this scooty. So in Access you get 20 liter, in this 21 plus liter you get on this boot. So I will show you that also. So this is the look of this seat, and as you know, Suzuki scooters are very good in sitting comfort. People used to go 300 kilometers on Suzuki scooters. As the manager Ali Bhai himself, he scored like 300 kilometers with his families on Access 125 in South. So yeah, this is very good. And you can open your fuel cap also from here. We will show you that also. And if you come at behind, you will see this is the light, and as you can see on video, how this light looks. This is the indicators. Yeah, and this is how the light looks. I will say like Ntorq, I will say like that. Same, this is also like Ntorq. I will say this is the competition of that scooty, so that's why the scooty looks same. So at behind, this scooty looks so better, also from front. So now we will show you the engine specs, and after that we will show you how this scooty is for riding. So let's start that. So before that, I will show you the colors, and this is white color. 5 colors are there, but currently I'm showing you 3 colors. Ex-showroom price of this scooty is this 90,687, and also that one 90,687. I'm talking about the ex-showroom. But if you will go in this race edition, you will get 90,987. So 300 rupees. Just it is differ 300 rupees. So I think if you will spend 300 rupees, you will get this blue color scooty. But personally, if you will say, I will go for that white color. And
But I will go for this color, this grey and green. I like this.
This is little different kind of color.
This is a matte finish color, I think.
So now I will say you the engine specs of this scooty. So this scooty has the Access 125 engine exact, so that is 125 cc, and as you can see, it's written over here. It has 8.7 horsepower, 10 newton meter of torque. Okay, and yeah, this is like front is disc brake and the rear is drum brake. So this is very nice, and this is also the DS6 model. And I have heard from an agent, he's saying that you get average better compared to Access 125. So I think this is the better option compared to Access 125. So let's jump to the riding video.
Okay, so right now I am driving the all-new 2022 Naked Sports Scooty from Suzuki. This is the Avenus 125 PS6, and as you can see, the weather of Bangalore today. This is April 2022, and the weather is very not kind of bad actually from last 1 week. And the feeling of the scooty is like you can see this kind of Brugman, small Brugman I would say. And riding posture is also very good. Sitting posture is very good. Yeah. Also on potholes, small, you will feel not that bad as my Activa. Yeah. So the stretch is also very good. This is like a normal sports scooty only. Don't compare it with Aeros 155. And this is like a Bangalore street. And again, because you need a pickup. And again, you need to brake hard. Very good. And again, this is the Bangalore streets. You need this kind of scooty, and this is very good. Compared to Activa, this is very good. So horn can be better actually. Yeah, horn can be better. I don't know Suzuki's traditional horns. This sucks. See, what is that? Okay, so here is our traditional Aerolex Suzuki showroom, and yeah, riding experience was very good compared to the budget.
ठीक है